Hello, how are you? I made a list of things we can do. On a good day, we can go out and walk in the park, sit in the shade, and stroll in our favorite spot. Depending on the weather, we can cool down with splash of water, stretch to make snow angles, hike on a hill, or just hang out and eat snacks. If we have to stay in, we will take turns to visit and we can put on a play, listen to music, or sing our favorite songs. We can work on crafts, try new tastes, or just find something to celebrate. Maybe we will have a sleepover, too. We can end the day with warm milk and bubble bath, then say good night and snooze at last. Thanks for watching. Like and share this video and subscribe to Learning Point PK now for more interesting videos to learn.